Hey students, today we're going to be working on the passive voice and turning active sentences into passive sentences. I have a worksheet for you and we're going to do 6 sentences. It's just a quick practice. You'll need a piece of paper and a pen, and I need you to number 1 to 6 and we will fill in the blanks. So let's look at this first sentence. The college provides free computer classes in the summer. Okay, this is an active sentence because it's a subject and then the verb. And what we are going to do, and then the object. And what we are going to do is we're going to make the object the subject and change the verb. Okay, so the first one is the college provides free computer classes in the summer. Free computer classes, so see how we have taken the object, and we are going to insert to be. Hi students, today we're going to be practicing the passive voice. We're going to turn sentences that are active into passive tense. So remember, the passive is to be plus the past participle. So let's look for the verb in each of the sentences to start out. The college provides free computer classes in the summer. The verb would be here, provides. Number 2, they hold the placement test in the library. The verb is hold. Number 3, do they offer English classes too? The verb is offer. Number 4, what kind of experiences do you need? The verb is need. Number 5, do they provide a certificate at the end? The verb is provide. And number 6, what kind of forms do they require? And the verb is require. So what you're going to do is you're going to change this verb to passive, present passive. So you will use the verb to be, and the past participle. So see, the first one's done for you. Free computer classes is the word to be, or the verb to be, and provided is the past participle. Free computer classes are provided in the summer. So what I'd like you to do now is press pause and do the next 5 sentences. And then we will check for our answers. Okay, let's look at number 2. They hold the placement test in the library. The placement test is held in the library. Do they offer English classes too? Yes, English classes are offered too. What kind of experience do you need? What kind of experience is needed? Do they provide a certificate at the end? Yes, a certificate is provided at the end. What kind of forms do they require? What kind of forms are required? Thanks. We'll practice again tomorrow.